If you take a look at the periodic table in your textbook or online, you'd see that there's more than 130 different elements that are covered in the field of chemistry. But in biology, really, there's four major players that we're going to see over and over again, and that's hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. The reason why these elements are so important is that they make up about 95% of what is in living things. So hydrogen and oxygen, as you probably know, are in water, and a large part of our body is water. Nitrogen is found in lots of molecules, including DNA. It's really high in proteins as well. And then carbon is a key one that is essentially in every single molecule that makes up our body. It's going to be sort of like the skeleton of every molecule that's in our body. And so those are the four major elements. We also have elements present in lesser amounts, and these are called mineral elements and trace elements. I always say that mineral and trace elements are kind of like that list on the back of a multivitamin. And you can see that list in your textbook: calcium, chlorine, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, sulfur, on and on. And again, like I said, it's just like the back of your multivitamin. Now, in biology, the complexity of living things is that even if we don't have one of these things that we barely need, like 0.01% present in our bodies, it still has consequences. And this image from your textbook is showing a goiter. This is the result of an iodine deficiency. This is really rare in the United States, but only because at the grocery store, when you go to buy salt, you probably buy iodized salt. That salt has iodine added to it. It was a decision made by the U.S. government to really support the prevention of goiters in the United States. And again, that's why we really don't see goiters very often in the U.S., because we're all eating that iodized salt.